Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you a little bit of maintenance for your trombone. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take care of my slide, and I'm going to make sure that I wipe off the old oil first to make sure that I get all the dust and debris off of there first. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give it a wipe down. And then I'm going to take the Slido Mix. This stuff is great. It's an all-in-one, and you can get it at your local music stores or probably online as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my trombone up, and I'm going to put a little bit down here at the stockings of the slide. Yeah, I said stockings. It's kind of funny. Okay, just a few squeezes of that there. And then I'm going to bring this up to the top of the slide and let it run down a little bit that way as well. Doesn't need a whole lot. And then I'm going to take my slide and I'm going to bring it up slowly so that I don't just have all that Slido Mix come off. And I'm going to work it into the slide back and forth. Okay? And then it should smooth out your slide for you. Okay? And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grease the tuning slide. This is something you don't have to do as often as your slide. Same thing, wipe off the old slide grease and on here as well. And then I like a slide grease that has lanolin in it. It tends to work the best. Just take a little bit right here and spread it on the inner slide. You don't need a whole lot. If you put too much on there, it's just going to all bunch up down here at the bottom, and it's going to be kind of a mess. And make sure you wipe your fingers off because that will stain your clothes. And then you're going to place the tuning slide back on the trombone like that. Cool.